Muncie Power Products is committed to helping members of the work truck industry determine the correct PTO model to meet their requirements. We have a user-friendly online tool known as the PTO Builder, which is designed to help. Now this tool can be found on our webpage at munciepower.com. As you can see, I've got the webpage already pulled up here. There are easy ways to begin building your power takeoff. The most common way to get to the PTO Builder is to go to Power Takeoffs, and then under Resources, the third one down, you'll see PTO Builder. This opens up the Power Takeoff Builder tool. From there, you follow the steps as prompted. So it starts with the transmission manufacturer. Got the caret, click on the caret there, and it opens up all the different transmission manufacturers. We'll just select Fuller, Eaton Fuller. Scroll down, you'll see all the different Fuller transmissions. Just scroll down until we get one that's kind of familiar. How about a 16210C FRO, Fuller 38? Select that model. Now it's asking for opening. If you click the caret, it's going to give you either right side or bottom. Typically on these, we prefer the bottom opening. Now you begin to see the power takeoff selections. You can scroll down, you see the different varieties. Typically, the most common power takeoff that's going to be used is going to be the TG series, unless it's on an automatic, and then you'll want to use like the CS series. So for this exercise though, we'll just use this first one that comes up. It shows you the PTO model number. It also shows the engine percentage, the torque and horsepower requirements for that power takeoff too. So we'll select this one because it's the most common, somewhere between the 80 to 130% power takeoff range. We'll select that. Now as you can start to see, it's starting to capture some information over here and build the power takeoff. The next option is the shift option. Click there. Again, you'll see the different options that we have for shifting the power takeoff. We'll just use one that's pretty common, manual air shift. Click on that. So the A option. Now it's asking for the output option. So the shaft you want to use. Are you going to run a drive line to an application, or are you going to be marrying a pump to the power takeoff? In this case, most common again in the industry is what's known as an SAB 2 or 4 bolt or direct mount. It'll have a 7/8 13 tooth spline. So if we scroll down through here, you see the different options. For us, the option would be K. So you'd click on that. Special features. Now, if there's any special features that are required, it will automatically populate those. These are just special features that are options. In this case, we won't necessarily need or have any, so we'll just hit none. All right, so now basically we've got all the information gathered and we can complete the build. This is now the PTO Build Complete page comes up. And as you can see, it gives you the model number of the power takeoff. It also gives you a builder ID. And then of course over here, it gives you all the build breakdown. So it gives you the transmission model number, the PTO opening, all the options that we discussed. And on this screen, this is where you see the PTO model breakdown. Now if you scroll down to see, and what you want to do is you want to scroll down to see if there's any additional components required, such as spacers or stud kits. If those are needed, those will automatically display the part numbers and the description. So they'll just be right down here as well. So it'll say a 23 number or a 20 number, and that'll be either a spacer or a stud kit that have to be included. Now this also generates a builder ID that's unique to your specification that you can save to a pre-existing account if you have one by emailing yourself a copy of it so you can have it on file. So here you could hit email results and send it to yourself or even maybe to a customer. Customer service has been a priority since day one at Muncie Power. We have a team available to assist anyone with finding the PTO you need. Please feel free to reach out to any of our customer service managers at 1-800-367-7867 as well.